Oh, we can go somewhere else, Sarah? It's okay?
No, wait a minute.
Okay, no problem. No. Waiting for friend.
Sometimes open, sometimes not open.
Hello. Very sorry. No problem, brother. I came to drink coffee, but now you are late. I wait for you. Now you do. I help you. Interesting. Finally, my friends, meet Soda, the man who's not afraid of being different. He's just afraid of being the same as everyone else.
It's since the World War One. So they use when him came.
It's from Italy.
Right.
It creates the pressure. Eh? Wow, it's beautiful. Sure, it's going to taste different.
Wow.
Nice. Oh man, really have a different taste.
Right.
It tastes stronger.
Different.
Yeah, it's smoky aroma. How-
Thanks for coming here.
Hey, no problem, man. What is this for?
For customer use when go mountain.
I hear you used to work with Sarah before, long
right,
time
right,
ago,
right.
and then you come to do your business.
Right.
Why? You don't like Sarah?
No. Long time I cleaning the dad's salary.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you're a salary man.
So then got COVID. I must to survive. What I love? I love music, art, and coffee.
How suddenly you open this under the tree?
The only one reason I like it.
I'm speechless.
I love here so and I love the people come here. I must to open shop like the natural, the camping style.
Yeah, but I think it's a perfect idea. What is your future plan?
Build here is more beautiful, and I think lower side is nice.
Oh, so you want to do something there?
the-
Beautiful, yeah.
I have a next plan, open second shop, but
Okay.
different style. Classic in house because I like coffee and cocktail. The cocktail bar cheap price for everyone can buy. I need a man for make me have more time. If I have more time, I will do music.
Music. How
yeah.
old are you, man?
30,
30, you're still very young. Sarah, can you tell me something about Sarah?
honest.
Honest.
She give me a lot of chance when I'm
When you're
more
younger,
now. Yeah.
so she gave you a lot of chance in life. Yeah, nice. I think the people also love you, man, and they all look happy.
Here make me grow up. Before I'm open, I'm just lost. I don't know how to say the dirty life. Sleep daytime, nighttime, drink until morning every day. Yeah, make me is the person, make me is the man.
Make you a man. You all the best. I hope this place
hope you
becomes.
too.
Oh, thank you very much.
Hope
And
you
I'm
are-
very happy Sarah bring to see you. And good coffee. You make good coffee, man. Honest job, hardworking. And one day you go play music around the world. Soda. He's not only an inspiration, but an invitation to a life less ordinary.